What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tuning in to yet another video, man. And today got something a little bit special for you guys. Gonna be showing you guys around the sneaker room and the man cave. It's still not done yet. I got a lot of renovations that I haven't even complete yet, but sooner or later they will be done. I give you guys a complete full room. Pretty much everything is done on this side. Just on that side of the room, it's some stuff we gotta work on, but everything over here pretty much done. Couple little small tweaks I might do here and there, especially the ground. I'm gonna put some hardwood down, take the carpet out, make it, you know, look a little bit more newer, a fresher look to the sneaker room. And of course I can do the on feet in here, man. I can't do on feet in carpet. That's just something I've always hated. Like, I just hate seeing on feet on carpet. Hey, that's just me. But if you guys are new to the channel right now, what I need you to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please head over to IG, give your boy a follow at The Real to Vintage. I'll be dropping a bunch of reels over there. A lot of people always see my sneaker setup over Instagram more than on YouTube, which doesn't make sense. I don't know. More people been watching me on Instagram and YouTube lately, but here's what it is. So you guys go follow me. The link will be down below in the description box, and my Twitter and my second YouTube channel, my clothing brand, all that will be down below in the description box, man. So yeah, with all that being said, I'm gonna show you guys around the sneaker room, show you guys some, you know, some here and there, show you guys a couple little gems, and we're gonna get right into it, man. Let's get it. All right, guys, first things first is this is where I edit. I have a dual monitor, so I can change it from Windows to iMac. So I got my iMac over here, or my MacBook Pro, and then I have my PC, my gaming PC, which I was gaming on. I don't game anymore, but you can switch to a little mode right here. So if I ever wanted to edit, you know what I'm saying, some videos or something on my PC, or I can play the game and edit on one side with my MacBook. So I currently edit with my MacBook. I don't even use that no more. I don't even game no more, nothing. Got a little handy dandy iPad right here. Nothing too crazy, you know what I'm saying. Watch a couple videos while I'm editing, listen to some music, the vibes, you know what I'm saying. Have my printer for the clothing brand, for the labels. I got the Elgato stream deck right here, so whenever we are streaming, I can, you know, drop a little emotes and stuff like that, sounds, all that good stuff. Got my favorite candle lately, that is the fresh coffee smell. Super nice. I got that off Amazon. Of course, you got a lighter, a couple different things, stabilizer back there, microphone when I'm streaming. Nothing too crazy. And you take it over here, and this is where we get to what everybody loves. Everybody loves the shoes over here, even though I do a lot more than just shoes now. Got the clothing brand, got the card channel. There's a lot of stuff going on with me, but of course we got the kicks right here. A couple of them you guys can see. First things first, you guys see my favorite pair of all time. It's crazy because I found these at work one day. They was beat up, and I took them. I never threw them away. So this gonna stay on me until I'm gone, until I'm dead right here. I'm gonna always keep these joints, because it's crazy. I found my favorite sneaker of all time at my job, which, like, how did that even happen? I don't know. Got some yellow orcas, got some recently released Air Jordan 4s right here. Got the infrared joints. Really love these right here. Had to rock them. I already dropped a picture too on these things on my IG, so if you guys want to see how I put the fit together, you guys can tap into it. Got the Air Jordan 1 low, what's these called? Bleach corals. Super clean, super crispy. I love these things right here. You know, green glows, couple different kicks, man. It's no reason why it's over here, so I don't want you guys to be like, oh, is those his favorite shoes? No, they're not my favorite shoes. I just put them over there just because, you know what I'm saying. I might one day eventually put more hype sneakers over there. I don't know. Right now I'm just throwing shoes everywhere because it's just so many. It's just so many. So you guys think that just these is it? This is not all my shoes. Just from here to here is not it. It's like 121 pairs, I believe, right here. But I still have shoes over here. I know people probably think these boxes are empty, but I can pull out any shoe right here. Anyone. And I'm gonna show y'all. There's shoes in here. There's shoes all up in them boxes. Oh, let me get them out. You guys can see we have the all black Yeezys, Pirate Black 2.0s, whatever they call them. There's so many shoes, it's crazy. Like, and I wanted to get a better setup over here. I'll leave that over there. I want to have a better setup over here, so I got some shelves on the way, so you guys are gonna see some sneakers over there. But I don't even think I'm gonna put these on the shelf. Like, I want to get some of my grills. Like, I've been waiting so long to just start buying my grills and then putting them somewhere they deserve to be. You know what I'm saying? I'm still gonna be wearing them and stuff like that, but I can't just have them in the drop front. I can't just have them over here. I can't just have them over in a box over there. I gotta do something crazy with them. I think I'm gonna get some shelves or something, so you guys can, you know, check them out. Especially be good for the background of the videos, for IG reels, and all that good stuff, man. So you guys gonna see some unboxings coming very soon with my Grail sneakers. It's just so many shoes I want that I've not went back and got, just because there's a lot going on right now. And then doing YouTube, sneaker YouTube, you want to stay like relevant. So you want to buy the shoes that's about to come out. You want to get them early. You don't want to be too late, and you don't want to be too early, if that makes sense, man. So spin it around here real quick. We got one of my grills right here that I still want to get. I got this from SneakerCon Dallas years ago. I don't even know how it's still intact. Like, I would have thought it would have been broke by now, but still good. Got a camera over here, Sony a7 II. I record with a Sony a7 III. Really like this one. I just need a new lens for the a7 II. You definitely gonna see some more pictures and stuff like that coming from that camera. Got a crispy little lens. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy over here. Virgil Abloh book. Got some Fear Guides in there. A couple of my favorite sneakers inside of this shelf. I forgot where I got it from. I don't even know where I got it from. If I remember, I'm gonna tag it down below. But I did a whole video setting this up. So if I can find that video, I'm gonna tag it, because like I said, I've been doing a lot of stuff lately, and I've dropped so many videos, I don't even know which video it was. But so you have to see, you have this little sneaker shelf thing you can put shoes in at the top and at the bottom. You can close it however you want to do it. I usually put some of my Grail sneakers in here, or some of my favorite sneakers, that is, right here in this shelf. Something that I've probably gained a lot of followers from is just this view right here. Like, if you don't even know who I am, you just love shoes, and you see something like this, who wouldn't subscribe? You know what I'm saying? So we have the infamous drop front containers with, you know what I'm saying, all my favorite shoes. You know what I'm saying? I didn't put any Yeezys in there. I used to have like Yeezys. I think I put some Adidas, or not Adidas, Reeboks in there. I took all that out. I said, yo, I'm about to put nothing but J's in there. And I still have J's over here, which is crazy. I don't know how I got so many shoes. Like, it got to a point where it's get to a point where you just like, yo, why am I buying shoes over and over again? But it just falls back into the original reason why you were buying them, because you just love sneakers. You know what I'm saying? It's a passion. It's an expensive passion, that is, which kind of sucks, but hey, it is what it is. Checking it out right here. Got two of my skateboard decks. Got the Marvin Gaye Supreme joint. Thought that was super cool. Had to buy it off StockX. And I got the Travis Scott PlayStation collaboration skateboard deck from his website, which took like 3 months for me to get, which is crazy. Everybody know about Travis Scott trash shipping. And a case in point, you know what I'm saying? Case in point why, you know what I'm saying, I want to put my shoes somewhere else, because I have shoes like this. I have fucking lightnings. Let me see if I can grab these without dropping all these boxes. If I drop all these boxes, y'all, I quit. I think I'm gonna drop it though. Oh, I'm about to drop it. Oh, hold on, I gotta put the camera down. Oh. 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 You don't want to go through that hassle, bro. You do not want to go through that. All these shoes almost fell on me. I know y'all heard that. But I got shoes like this. One of my favorite Air Jordan 4s. Just sitting in a box. You know what I'm saying? Not getting no love. I ain't been rocking them. I'm not gonna lie, we have a lot of shoes. You kind of forget about some of the shoes you do have, unless they are sitting out. So like I said, one of my favorite pickups of last year, and I ain't showing them no love because they've been in the box all the way at the bottom. And that's a lot of shoes over there that I can just, you know, point out and be like, yo, I ain't even showing us no love. But definitely gotta pull these out. One of my favorite Air Jordan 4s. Can't believe it almost fell on me. But you guys can see a lot of shoes in these boxes. Look, I still got UNC 6s inside of the box. Like, bro, what? UNC 6s are nowhere in the drop front, not over there. They're in a box just collecting dust. And real quick, I know you guys seen them Air Jordan 2 Chicago's about to drop. I don't want y'all saying I'm a hype beast. I got 2 pair of 2s that I can show y'all right now real quick. And yes, I do have 2s in the drop fronts with these on top. Got the Air Jordan 2 gem red joints. Oh, these are crazy. Turquoise hit on the bottom and turquoise on the insole. Got a lot of wears out of these. And I have the Radio Raheem joints somewhere in these drop fronts. See if we can find them real quick. Boom, here we go. All right, so we got the Radio Raheem 2s. And if you guys watching my last video, you know what 2s are on the way already coming to the collection. So yeah, guys, that is just a quick little room tour. I have a lot more ideas to get. Hold on, I gotta show you this one more time. So I gotta show y'all this. I ain't even show y'all. Check it out, man. $1 million a year, $83,333 a month, $19,230 a week, $2,739 a day. That's the goal. That's what I'm trying to get like, you feel me? That's what I cannot wait to touch my first meal. It's definitely coming. I can feel it, you know what I'm saying? You gotta keep grinding, keep putting in that work. Whatever you do, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna get there eventually, I promise you guys. Just keep going at it, keep pushing, keep grinding. Because somebody out there doing the same thing you doing, they're getting up earlier, they're doing it better because they're putting in more time and effort than you. So make sure you put in that work and you'll get to where you wanna go. So I appreciate everybody for tuning in to this quick little room tour video. Like I said, when I get done with that side of the room, I'm gonna drop an updated video because I have a lot. I cannot wait to get this fixed. Like, I just can't wait. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop. Follow me over Instagram and on Twitter. Follow my card channel and make sure you tap into the clothing brand. All those links to all my social media will be linked down below if you fuck with your boy. I appreciate all the support. Thanks for tuning in to the video. I'm out of breath because all the shoes just almost fell on me. And y'all just watched it happen. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.